Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and hit that notification bell. So today, I'm showing you literally the easiest way to make volume fans. Like, just look at how easy that is. Like, look, just watch, look. Oh my gosh. So easy, so simple, and beginner friendly. I am going to show you guys so many easy tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So please keep on watching, and thank you so much. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, you guys. I've gotten so many views, so much love, and I'm so grateful and so thankful for you guys. So thank you so much. Please comment if you want to see more videos, the type of videos that you want. And yeah, let's just get into it. So the key is to get you some lashes that are easy fan if possible. The lashes that I am using, they are 18 millimeters long. I believe they're 0.05 in diameter. You can use 0.03 or 0.05. And I just use the little blooming glue cups and literally like pull the lashes off and dip them in glue and then put them in the crevice. So I'm just going to show you like different types of fans. I was doing this late at night. I was a little delirious, but yeah, you're just going to need a mascara wand. You're going to need your tweezers. These are the beauties tweezers I've used in my previous video. You want isolation tweezers, or volume tweezers, whatever tweezers really work for you that help you pick up your lashes, honestly. You also want to use your lash glue, and I did link that in the last video. And then you need a blooming glue ring cup, and then these are the lashes that I'll be using. So they're 0.05, that's the thickness. And I think I'm going to use the 18 millimeters. I like the long lashes when I'm practicing on my mannequin head. So let's get started on showing you guys how to lash easier and not harder. Lash smarter and not harder. Okay, so here's a success tip for all of my aspiring lash artists or current lash artists. I pre-make all of my fans. Like, I'll spend a couple hours pre-making fans, and then I'll store them in a storage box. So that way when I do clients, I can literally just pull the fan out, put it on, put it on, put it on. Like, it makes lashing so much faster. You'll cut down your little 4 hours down to an hour, I promise you. Like, take my advice. I've been doing lashes for almost 5 years now. I've been a licensed esthetician since 2018, been doing lashes as a certified lash artist since 2016. So I'm pretty well versed when it comes to lash extensions. So ask me anything that you want to ask me. Like, I did training, I sold products, I know it all. So I'm very nonchalant, very chill. So you can always message me or comment if you have any questions or concerns. And here I'm just kind of setting everything up, but we're going to do some more volume fans. I'm going to show you different angles, and then I'm going to also show you how to apply the volume fans on to your practice mannequin. So I'm definitely teaching you guys the basics. You know, if you're a new artist, this is definitely for you. If you are an existing lash artist and you're just struggling to find easier ways to make fans, this is for you. But the best tip I can recommend is to pinch the bottom of the base. You pinch the base of the fan, it makes it skinnier. And see, you come out with a perfect fan. Now, originally when you use the glue cup, you know, you're getting a fan, but if you pinch the bottom and make it thinner, it's just more perfect and it's easier to apply on a natural lash. So I highly recommend pinching the bottom of the fan. You may get some glue on your fingers, you may get a little bit dirty, but if you pre-make your fans and store them, then later on, you know, once they're dry, you can easily just apply them onto the client's lashes and literally cut down your lash time. And you may hear my daughter in the background. I hope this video was super helpful. And again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support and helping me grow my channel. I really, truly appreciate you guys. And again, comment, like, share, subscribe. I'm here to help. And as always, have a wonderful day. God bless. And I wish you guys well on your lashing journey. I'll post more videos soon. Love you. Bye.